Hey folks, welcome back to North Star Diet Secrets. Today, I've got a super simple tip that could revolutionize the way you eat. Ever wondered why you still feel hungry after gobbling down your meal? It's because it takes your brain about 20 minutes to realize you're full. So here's a quick hack. Eat slow. One easy trick is to eat with your opposite hand. If you're right-handed, switch that fork to your left hand. Trust me, it's tougher than it sounds, but it works. Another tip, set your fork down between bites. This little pause gives your brain a chance to catch up with your stomach. And hey, don't forget the power of good conversation. Engaging in a chat during meals can naturally slow your eating pace. Focus on your friends, your family, or even that cute dog across the street. The less you think about the food, the slower you'll eat. For more awesome tips, check out our blog at northstardiet.com. And if you need a little extra help, North Star Diet has got you covered with high-protein shakes, snacks, and nutrition bars. We've been helping people shed those pounds for over 25 years. So next time you sit down to eat, remember, slow and steady wins the race. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more diet secrets. Catch you later.